Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be doing another unboxing for another order from Clionadh for their stained glass collection. So I have the box here. It came yesterday. I haven't opened it yet and it has been the longest wait ever because I love their stained glass collection. It's really beautiful. I have all my other shades that I have so far in a palette ready to go so that we can just add to the family and swatch as we go along. So I do already have a video up on these 9 shades here. I did like a first impression type of video exactly like this on these, and then I also did an eye swatches and review video as well. So I'm so excited to try some more of them because they're so beautiful and I die for pretty shimmery shadows. So I did purchase this sometime during November. I'm pretty sure. I'll leave the date on screen. I feel like this was less of a wait time as the last time I made an order from their stained glass collection, and I did count this as one of my palette purchases for the month of November during my low buy. I was honestly in between whether I was going to make this order or not, but they posted something to where like they had like a special reduced shipping rate whenever their stained glass collection relaunched. So I was like, well, now I have to order it. So here are the shadows. They always come super well packaged, like tons and tons of bubble wrap. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through them one by one. It's going to be a lot of editing because it's going to be a little while. Okay, so I've got the first one out and I'm pretty sure that this is one of the shades I like super regretted not purchasing in my initial order. Let's see. Yeah, this is the shade Spotlight, and it's supposed to be like a really beautiful hot pink with a blue shift to it. Ooh, wait. Ready? That was fast, huh? So there's what Spotlight looks like. I love this kind of shade. Super pretty. So there is Spotlight. That is so pretty. It's almost more of like a lavender kind of shift running throughout it. All right, so I almost dropped it. Okay, so this is the next shade and it is called Foiling, which honestly looks so beautiful. It kind of is like a bronzy shade, but it has like a bluey green shift to it. It actually reminds me a lot of my nails, like the way it moves in the light, like it looks very similar. So there is Foiling. That's so pretty. Oh, you can't even tell how pretty that is on camera. The shift. Love that. So sparkly, so intense. That's definitely what I was looking for when I made this order because my favorite shade is one that I can't remember. Corrosion. This color here would be like one of my top shades, and so I was looking to find more that had like that same kind of formula. As you can see the way that they look. Oh, I totally forgot I purchased these are so cute. So these are little earrings that Clionadh is selling now too, and they have little stuff here like the wood is like handmade little earrings, which I don't know, I just thought they were so cute. I actually, quick story, had the struggle was real because I ordered a few shades, like quite a few, but I purchased them individually, and then afterwards Karen was like, the bundles are lit, and I was like, bundles? There's bundles? And I realized that I could have had like so much more value if I had done a bundled rather than buying them individually. So they were super helpful and helped me like cancel an order and start a new one, and I just wanted to grab a little something extra just because I really appreciate good customer service, and I thought that the earrings were cute. And I'm like, yeah, like, of course I want to wear, like, indie brand earrings. Like, that's so cute. So here's what they look like. And they are just wood. They're wood. So they're the little Clionadh symbol, and I'll definitely wear them soon. Ooh, next here we have an inner corner shade, which I'm so excited about. So this is the shade Glisten, and it's like a white with, like, a pink shift to it. Ooh, like look at that. Look at how intense the reflection is. The camera can't even handle it. I was drawn to purchase this one just because I really love the shade Glow, which is a like bluey shifting shade. Oh wow. Holy crap, that's intense. Color me impressed. Alright, so this shade here is Grisaille, and it is so beautiful. When I was in New York, Angelica had this all over her eyelids, and it was stunning. Everyone complimented her for good reason. Like, it was the most beautiful shade. Even Natasha Nona complimented her wearing this shadow, which of course, I mean, she's beautiful and she's amazing and talented, but also this shadow is like, okay, I have to own it. Like, this was like one of the top ones on my wish list. Like, look at that. Yep, that's so beautiful. And it's again kind of that same type of texture as corrosion and foiling, which is my favorite. Alright, so this next shade is Carving, which is really pretty. It kind of has like a green shift in the monitor, but towards this way it kind of goes like green, purple, red. Like, it has a lot of really interesting colors. That's super interesting. Just the pink to the green. Alright, next I have the shade Abrasion, which is a purple to blue shifting shade. Again, it looks so intense. Very beautiful. Alright, so we've got another inner corner type shade, and this is Glimmer, which is a white to a pink. Here's what it looks like. I mean, it's definitely a little bit more of a chunky texture. I feel like, oh, there you go. You can kind of see the pink shift there. Looks to be a little bit more subtle as far as the shift goes. Oh, yeah. Well, that one, honestly, it kind of, I mean, I guess it kind of goes more like pink to blue, whereas that first one is more pink to gold. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, this net one right here is called Illumination, and it looks to be kind of like a mint type of shade, maybe with a little bit of a yellow shift, maybe, possibly. So there is Illumination. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's a green with like a blue base. It's definitely a lot more subtle, but it is really beautiful. So we've got one more inner corner shade right here, and this is called Luminair. I'm not sure what this shifts yet. Just, I need a moment. It looks very white. Same. Oh yeah, okay. So it has, oh, that's so pretty. Kind of shook. So you can see, like, as I'm swatching it, it is a little bit more powdery. I got it way far down, more than I meant to. But it's like a pink to a yellow shift. That's so pretty. You literally can't see that at all in the pan. But just looking on my arm, super cool. So there's all the swatches, but just keep in mind you're looking from one view and with artificial lights, so it's a lot harder to see the duochrome or the multichrome. Honestly, y'all, if I don't get 2 more shadows, I think I'm gonna die, because it is so close to being a complete cute tiny little palette. But they did sneak peek that they're gonna be releasing more, so we'll see. We'll see. So that's everything for today's video, for today's Single Shadow Saturday. I feel like I forgot to mention that in the beginning. I know it's been a few weeks since I did a Single Shadow Saturday. That's just been because I've been so busy and I'm trying to keep up with my regular uploads, and Single Shadow Saturday was supposed to be extra and not something that stressed me out. It wasn't supposed to be stressful Single Shadow Saturday. I'd love to know if you have tried the stained glass collection, or if you're wanting to, what's on your wish list. My #1 favorite, of course, I'm so excited to test out all the new shades I just bought, but like I said, this shade right here called Corrosion is everything. So that's all. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.